In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Gmail. If you've ever found yourself receiving unwanted emails and wish there was an easy way to stop them, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get you up to speed with blocking contacts on Gmail, making your inbox more organized and your experience much more pleasant. To start, you'll need to open Gmail on your computer. It's best to use a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, as the full interface provides the most options and control. Once you're logged in, go ahead and locate an email from the person you want to block. This will make it easier to access the options needed to block them directly from their message. With the email open, look towards the upper right corner of the email. You'll see a small downward-facing arrow next to the reply button. This indicates a drop-down menu with further options. Click on this arrow and a list will appear. From this menu, select Block, followed by the sender's name. This action tells Gmail to automatically treat future messages from this sender as spam. You'll no longer see these emails in your main inbox. Sometimes these steps might seem quick, but it's important to understand the impact. Blocking sends those unwanted messages directly to your spam folder, meaning you don't have to delete them manually. They'll no longer clutter your inbox or distract you from important correspondences. It's a way of telling your inbox what's worthy of your attention and what isn't. If ever you change your mind, maybe you and the person have resolved differences, or you're simply curious about what's in the spam folder, unblocking is just as simple. Go back to your Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner, then select See All Settings. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you'll find a list of all blocked contacts. Simply choose the person you no longer wish to block and hit Unblock. Future emails from them will appear in your inbox like normal. Blocking is a handy feature, but emails will still exist in your spam folder for up to 30 days before they're automatically deleted. In case you need information from a blocked sender, you can still access it by checking your spam folder every so often. We hope this guide has helped you in organizing your email better and ensuring that your Gmail inbox remains clutter-free. It's always liberating to take control of your digital space. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.